I am getting my copy through SnapFit Collectibles. It is indeed the year of the wolf. Wolf Heavy Industries will be releasing their 1:60 Logar, also known as Barbatos Lupus Rex. The release date is around the first quarter of 2026. This will include a 500-gram pre-assembled alloy skeleton, which will have multiple joints and comes with a 58 cm hammer spear. This will also comes with a magnetic red-eye hunting mode and the first limited exclusive cloak. I would recommend getting the first batch since the cloak will be kinda exclusive. And judging from the photos, this model kit can do a lot of dynamic poses for display options, making this a great centerpiece of your collection. This will have a price tag of around $60 US, but that depends where you're getting it from. Taxes and tariffs may apply in some countries. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.